How to edit or customize header and footer in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Google Docs. Okay guys, so here you can see I have a header and footer in my this two page. So I have just insert header and footer. You can insert from here. Go to the insert and type the header. Click on header, it will be insert. Or when you click outside, header will be invisible. Only name, header name, and page number will you can see. Okay, if you have to just double click on this area, then it will be visible. Okay, so here you can see the option on first page. The different first page means you can create the different page header for first page, so it won't apply for other page. Okay, so this is page break. I will show you. I have made, I just, okay, I have two page now. Okay, 1 second, let me, okay. So first page you can make different page header like this. You can see only first page it is applied, not second. If I untick it, it will be applied same as other page. Okay, and here you can see the option called header format. You can change the header margin, footer margin. From here you can see the you can apply layout for different first page or different odd and event. You can apply after change. Now here you can see the page number. You can insert the page number. I have already inserted the page number. Here you can see it will be applied to all page from 1 to 2, and you can select the start at 2 or 3, whatever you want, and you can make the position in footer or header, then apply. And here you can see option called the remove header. You can remove your header. Okay, so sometime what happen, people want to make different page header for two page number 2 or page number 3, but in Google Docs you have only option for page number 1. Okay, you can make different header for only first page. There is no option in page number 2 and others. So if you want to make header different for middle of page, like page number 2 or 3 or 4, then you can do this. What you need to do, just go to the page number where you want to add the different page header. Okay, and here you can go to the insert and go to the break, and here you need to click on section break for next page. The next page will be insert here with same header. Now just double click on it. Now this is page number 3. Okay, I have only 2 page, so I just apply next page break. So here you can see I have option which is different first page. Okay, for break page, Google assume that this is a first page, like starting of your content. So it's it is give you the different first page option for page break. So you can apply it and you can make the different page header, and it won't apply to others. Okay, you can see all page header are different, and you can also delete for page header for this page. It won't apply to other page. Okay, and here you can see the option called page number. From here also you can add the page number, and from here also you can change the header and footer. Okay, page number. You can also see the page count if you want. You can see the page count has been come here, and page number you can show from, as you can select the layout for page number. Okay, so that is the option, that is how you can customize the header and footer. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.